So my name is Zoltan Wiessler, CEO of EuroSolid. EuroSolid is more than 20 years on the market of Hungary, and we are, let's say, a service company providing basically SolidWorks to the Hungarian customers. We have over 1,200 customers in Hungary, serving CAD, CAM and engineering services. We started with SWOOD in 2016. That was a great opportunity because from the beginning we had many of customers who was interested in wooden industry and also was looking for some great solution for SolidWorks. This delivering, I think, the missing part of SolidWorks, especially for the wooden industry. It's argument only itself. This is exactly why we choose SWOOD, because that was the most comprehensive and integrated solution, and that's provide all the functions, all the capabilities what our customer needs. The SWOOD team was amazing for supporting and helping us. The team providing all the necessary informations. We are well supported. Of course, in some case, our customers have special needs, especially in post-processors, which is a teamwork. Also, the post-processor can be generated or supported by a SWOOD team, but also in some case we are in daily contact with customers and preparing post-processor on site. But it's also teamwork, and we got every time right help. When we start talking to customers about SWOOD, it's not just about design, but they realizing first the design options. But after all, it's very quickly they realizing how they can automate from design to manufacturing. What we are really focused on in the next few months to involve schools, involve students. Our goal is to really be connected with the schools and involve them how to make this wooden industry connected to digital life.